Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to update the applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to update the applications on this watch, your watch needs to be connected to the internet, and also you will need to have the Google account and Samsung account connected to your watch. So you need to copy the Google account from your phone and you need to log in into a Samsung account on your watch. Because if you want to update the apps, for example, on the Google Play Store, you need Google account to use the Google Play Store. And if you want to update the Samsung apps, you need to have the Samsung account, or you need to be logged in into one. Okay, so once you have the internet connection rather, and the accounts ready, we can continue and wake up the screen on our watch by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Here, find the Google Play Store icon and let's open the Google Play Store first. So we're gonna update the apps on the Google Play Store. Now, once you open the Google Play Store, scroll down to the bottom, and at the bottom you should see My Apps. Tap on it, and here you should have the list of apps that need or have the update available. And if you don't have any apps right here, this means you don't have any updates available. But if you have the apps on the list, you can update them. And we can tap on the Update All button if you want to update them all at once. Or you can simply tap on one app and tap on Update to update it. Just single app, basically. Let's wait until it's done downloading and installing. Okay, this took longer than expected, but as you can see, the update is done installing and the update button is gone. Now we see the open button. When we go back to the updates menu, you will see that the update disappeared from the list and now we have one less update available. Like I said before, you can also tap on Update All button to queue them all for update and they will update automatically. I won't do that because it will take forever at this point. So just be aware that you can update them all if you want. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the home button to close the Google Play Store. And that's how you update the apps on the Google Play Store. If you want to update the apps, the Samsung apps, we need to open the settings on our watch. So let's swipe up on the screen to open the menu, scroll down, find the settings icon, tap on it. In the settings, scroll down, find the option called Apps, and select it. And here scroll down, find the option Samsung App Updates. Tap on it and the watch will start looking for the updates or available updates. But as you can see, at the moment there is no updates available. But if it were some updates available, you can select them and install them right there once you search for them. Okay, and that's how you update the applications on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.